I agree with the observation of our chair of Committee on Finance. Although na ano no I we have started sana no excited sana ko the DOTR budget to be working with you Secretary Vin Dizon. Kaya lang iba yung plano no. We know for a fact we share the same advocacies yung talagang massive infrastructure development will really stimulate economic growth. Kaya lang na iba yung plano. I share the sentiments of Senator Win Gatchalian. Si Secretary Dizon nung nagsimula, isa sa parang top pang GQ yung executive. Batang-bata, 'di ba? Um ito, very aggressive, very defendable. Ngayon mukha nang nag-age na kayo ng ilang buwan pa lang. Mukha ng mad scientist. Naalala ko yung Back to the Future. Yung buhok nyo sabog-sabog na. Naawa ako sa sabog-sabog na, no? Pero I understand the the challenges that you are facing right now, and I don't envy your position right now. Although I honestly miss you no doon sa DOTR kasi talagang we had our plans. Nagready na nga tayo for our yung ating po mga ipa-prioritize sa mga railway, mga airports, yung po mga ating mga advokasya. Anyway, first of all, siguro a lot we will be discussing today yung mga reforms, and I'm glad you already started your reforms that will be introducing in the DPWH, considering that ito pong talagang scandal that really rocked this nation recently is probably the biggest scandal that rocked his history, and people are really longing for answers no. Siguro doon lang po sa mga notorious na district engineering offices in our investigation during the Blue Ribbon. Siguro we will submit to you our findings also para lang din for your information, and so that it can help you in your reforms that you will institute. Doon po sa Bulacan, the notorious district engineering office, and I don't know kung nangyari dito sa Bindoro, meron po sila rin progress billing. Now, I was also a developer before. Ang pagkakaintindi ko, pag may progress billing, according yan to, it is according to accomplishments. Pero dito pa sa Bulacan, kahit na 30% pa lang ang progress billing, pinipilit na ng assistant DE pa lang noon, sila Bryce at iba ng mga talagang nagmodus na kahit 50% na, pipilitin nila 50% na ang inyong ideklara kasi nandito na yung budget, kailangan namin gastusin. So, in the same manner that napamura ka, alam ko yun, maiinis ka talaga. Imagine, Sek, 30% pa lang accomplishment, pero yung mismong DE mismo or assistant DE sabi, hindi, 50% nang iyan mo. Yung contractor mismo, ang nagkukumahog, paano ko gagawin to? 50% na yung kukolektahin, and yet 30% pa lang yung aming accomplishment. So that's one. And second, of course, yung borrowing of license, no? We know that that has been notorious. Inamin naman po yan ng maraming some contractors like si Sims, no? Talagang she was really open at pointed to those who sila Bryce and JP Mendoza, who really forced her to lend their licenses. Otherwise, syempre, kung contractor ka, matatakot kapag kung DE or assistant DE yung humingi, baka hindi ka nabigyan ng project. So those are the things that siguro may iba pa kami ibibigay for the reforms, and I'm sure that my colleagues will also be asking about that. Now, going back dun sa ating pong same advocacy, when you were still DOTR secretary, yung pong lahat ng problema doon sa Central Luzon, I think yung, for example, yung flooding in Central Luzon, every same period for the last 3 years, nagkakaroon po ng hearing dito because of flooding. Now, because Central Luzon is a catch basin, water from Sierra Madre coming down, dapat mailabas ng Manila Bay. No? Ang nangyayari po, with the 350 billion peso budget, Mr. Chair, every year, that's 1 billion peso a day. Ganun po yung budget ng flood control for DPWH. Ang nangyayari siguro, with that budget, all districts would want to have a piece of that budget. So, sa halip na sana, kung masundan so na yung master plan for flood control in Central Luzon, siguro with that budget, by now, siguro malaki na improvement. Ang nangyayari po, lahat ng distrito gusto kumuha ng portion of that budget, pinagpira-piraso, nangyari po, patsi-patsi po ang mga flood control projects. Sa halip na floodways, no, massive floodways, spillways, water impounding, dams, and pumping stations ang dapat na ating pong ginagawa. Ang nangyari po, slow protection, river revetment, di ba? Drainage improvement, pinagpatsi-patsi, pinagpati-hatian, nangyari po patsi-patsi, kaya hindi nawawala ang tubig. Do you agree, Secretary Dizon? Ganito po ang nangyari.
Mr. Chairman, you are absolutely correct po sa inyong observations. Ganun po talaga ang nangyari.
And with that, Sec, I have my top priority bill that I filed in this Congress and as well in the last Congress is the Master Plan for Infrastructure for National Development. Ito po yung comprehensive Master Plan for Infrastructure Development. And I'm glad, Mr. Chair, that it has been included already in the LEDAC priority of measures. No? Ang ano po natin dito, those projects that are national in nature, that are national in significance, for example po, railway system, yung mga main national highways, mga dams, flood control, pag national po, dapat tuloy-tuloy. Whoever sits as president, ang ano ko po rito, sana we hit two birds with one stone, no? You know, ang ating po political system kasi siguro, 6 years and 3 years, presidents will always look at their legacies. Kumbaga, short term and medium term. Nakakalimutan po natin yung long term through the decades. Kaya nga po yung railway system, 30 years na tayong behind, no? In terms of railway system compared to our ASEAN neighbors, yung mga skyways and all. So, yung rationale po nito, whoever sits as president, all of these big ticket items dapat tuloy-tuloy, no? Again, railways, skyways, dams. Siguro po yung mga presidente may sariling mga pet programs, but all of these big ticket items should be continuous because this will stimulate economic growth. Ano kaya yun?
Senator JV, we were advised that today we will have our earthquake drill starting at 11. Tamang-tama nga, DPWH nandito. No? So we'll request everyone to leave the building. Kasama tayo, ma'am. We requested for an exemption, but the Office of the Senate President did not allow. So everyone should vacate this room and go down to the building. We'll come back after a few minutes.